Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Shopeepay to Gcash without any verification. If you are wondering whether it is possible or not, yes, it is absolutely possible. And in order to do it, you need to first of all launch your Shopeepay application just like so, and then you need to just log in into your account. Now in your application's homepage, you will see your balance and it should look something like this in the top left hand corner of the screen. So you just have to tap on this option and then you will be landed on this Shopeepay page where you will see send money option. So tap on send money and here in send money select the third option of to other e-wallets. Afterwards, you will have to provide some of your details like your first name, your e-wallet and your phone number. And if you want to save these information as your recipient, you just have to turn this toggle button on green. After that, you need to select which e-wallet do you want to use. In our case, we want to use Gcash, so you need to select Gcash. Then enter the amount that you want to send to Gcash, and after that you need to provide purpose. You can even skip it because it is optional. After doing so, press next option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then you will be landed on the confirm transaction page where you will have to just review the information that is mentioned here. If everything is correct, you need to click on the option that says send money now. After that, you will see this type of page where it will show you the send money details and it will provide you the transaction ID. This way you can easily transfer your Shopeepay to Gcash without any verification. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.